Welcome to our planet, where human activities are pushing the boundaries of the natural world. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time. And it's not just about rising temperatures. It's about reaching critical thresholds that can have devastating consequences for the environment, ecosystems, and human societies. One of these climatic tipping points is the loss of Arctic sea ice. By the 2030s or 2040s, we can expect to see a significant decline in summer sea ice cover. This may seem like a distant problem, but it has far-reaching consequences. Without reflective ice cover, the Arctic will absorb more solar radiation, accelerating global warming and triggering a cascade of other tipping points. Another critical threshold is the collapse of coral reefs. Rising sea temperatures and acidification are expected to cause widespread coral bleaching by 2025 to 2050. This will have disastrous consequences for marine life, food security, and the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on these ecosystems. The Greenland ice sheet is projected to start disintegrating around 2100 to 2200, raising global sea levels by up to 7 meters over the next few centuries. This will reshape coastlines, displacing millions of people and threatening urban centers worldwide. The West Antarctic ice sheet is expected to collapse around 2100 to 2300, contributing an additional 3 to 5 meters to sea level rise. These two tipping points will have a catastrophic impact on our planet's coastlines, ecosystems, and human settlements. The Amazon rainforest is projected to undergo significant die-off and degradation by 2050 to 2070 due to drought, fire, and climate change. This will accelerate global warming, triggering a vicious cycle of deforestation and climate disruption. Permafrost regions are expected to thaw rapidly between 2025 and 2050, releasing methane and carbon dioxide from previously frozen soils. This will amplify the greenhouse effect, pushing us closer to other tipping points. Climate change is projected to disrupt the Indian summer monsoon by the 2030s to 2040s, leading to droughts, floods, and food insecurity for millions of people. Southern Europe is expected to experience severe droughts and water scarcity by the 2040s to 2050s due to changing precipitation patterns and increased evaporation. These climatic tipping points are not inevitable, but they require immediate attention and collective action. We must reduce greenhouse gas emissions, invest in renewable energy, and adapt to the changing climate to avoid catastrophic consequences.